should examine another concept that we've been exploring in our research, and that concept is the governance surface. So if you are doing governance to set the field of action, then there's a sort of field of action for setting the field of action. Now that sounds sort of silly, but we just decompose it a little bit. As an actor within a system, you have some things you can do and some things that you can see, and generally a way of engaging with that system. But in a governance role, whether it's a decentralized or a centralized governance role, there's generally a set of actions that you can take to change that field of action. Now, if networks such as crypto networks or software systems that enable people to do stuff. Generally, this means software is the field of action. You're pushing changes to code, or you're pushing changes to parameters that are in code, or possibly you're expending funds to maintain or develop future features. There's a range of activities, but if there's a set of actions that you can take as part of the platform, there's also a set of actions that you can take to evolve the platform. And so we tend to delineate the governance surface as the set of things that the governance activity can do. And even that might need to be further broken down because you might use different processes or have different stakeholders who have rights over, say, the governance of a pool of funds versus, say, the governance of a particular parameter within a piece of software versus the governance of the software writ large, where you could imagine making arbitrary changes to code.